Hi all guys, welcome once again to Sarangaru Fitness. Super excited. The reason being, gyms have reopened. So taking my ass back to the gym. In case आप अभी नहीं safe feel कर रहे to go back to the gym, so it's totally your call. It's totally safe. You can continue with your home workouts, or you can refer to my home workout videos. लेकिन अभी से since we are back to gym, so अब gym videos भी आपको of course इस channel पे दिखेंगी. Now going forward, gyms have opened. So first workout जो करा है मैंने, that was a back workout, unlike chest or bicep workout. So back workout was performed, and I'm just going to tell you how to get a V-taper back, how to get a V shape. So आपको V shape वाली back और आपके massive lats कैसे बनेंगे. So starting with the very first exercises, I'll be doing a pull-up. If you notice, I'm doing a neutral grip pull-ups. My palms are facing each other, और chest मेरी ऊपर तक आ रही है, और try to go थोड़ा slow. आप बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ मत करना इस workout को. Try to go a little slow so you can feel the lats. Okay? Need to do 2 to 3 sets, 8 to 10 reps if you can. The next workout after that we are doing is we'll be jumping directly to wide grip lat pull down. So in this अगर आप notice करो, so मैं strap use कर रहा हूँ. Straps क्या होता है कि आपकी जो grip strength है वो improve होती है. You can lift more. So wide grip lat pull down के आप 3 sets perform करोगे, 10 to 15 reps. You will notice you will keep your back straight, chest out. आप जो बार हो chin level के थोड़ा नीचे तक लेके आओगे and returning it back to the normal position. Try करें कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा तेज़ नहीं करें इस exercise को. Feel the lats. Slow down, feel it, going back to the normal and contraction point. Back straight, chest out. Post this, we'll jump onto the seated cable rows. Seated cable rows, you'll bend your knees a little, go to a stretch point, and then from there on, you pull the seated pulley towards you and then release it back to the main point. So this is how it's demonstrated. So you sit down, adjust yourself, pulley को अपने tummy तक लाइए and then go back. Again, controlled position. Don't go for too rushy set. ज़्यादा तेज़ मत करिए. Try to feel the neutral and squeeze position. 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps minimum. Once you're done with this, we'll go back to the lat pull down. This time we'll do a reverse grip pull down. So reverse grip pull down, again you will feel कि आपके lats पे बहुत ज़्यादा engaging है. You will feel a lot more tension on your lats. So you return to the similar position, hands this time even more closer. Chest out, back straight. Don't use too much momentum. Try करिए कि आप momentum नहीं लीजिए. Try to stay straight. And जितना हो सकता है आप अपना lats को include कीजिए. And try not to go too far away. Arms को बिल्कुल सीधा मत कीजिए. उससे आपके biceps पे unnecessary stress पड़ेगा. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Okay? 3 sets, 10 to 15 reps again. Next exercise we'll be doing again जो कि target करेगा आपके lats को, that is straight arm pull down. Straight arm pull down में आप फिर से cable pulley पे जाएंगे. So you hold the bar, bend your back, slightly bend knees. उससे आपके knees पे और legs पे कम pressure पड़ेगा. So starting position down as much as you can, or back to the normal position. Slow movements, 3 sets. 10 to 15 reps again should be a target. And the very next exercises I'm going to do is deadlift. Deadlift, guys, a very best exercise to have. Again, but you have to be very careful. Here I'm doing about 100 kg deadlift for about 8 to 10 reps. So notice I'm keeping my chest out, back straight, trying to slow the momentum. Deadlift को भी आपने rush नहीं करना है. Try to do it as nicely and as cleanly as you can. 3 sets repeat कीजिए. Try to aim for anything from 6 to 8 reps in case you are going heavy. और अगर आप light जा रहे हैं then you can do about 10 to 15 reps as well. As I was saying, I'll throw in normally lower abs in this back workout. So I'm doing a hanging leg raise of 3 sets. Going down the momentum. I'm stopping at the bottom. और जितने मुझसे हो रहे हैं reps, और obviously ये reps थोड़े tough होंगे, you can see that. So जब आपके ये reps नहीं हो पा रहे, then you can bend your knees and then you can lift your legs again to complete your set. ट्राई टू फोकस 10 से 15 से 20 रेप आप कीजिए, 3 सेट से 4 सेट कीजिए. हैंगिंग लेग रेजेस बेस्ट फॉर द लोअर एब्स. एंड वंस यू आर डन विद द बैक एंड एब्स वर्कआउट, वी आर डन विद द वर्कआउट. लेकिन जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, आई ऑलवेज थ्रो इन माई कार्डियो. So this time I'm choosing bicycle. So I'm doing a stationary bike for 15-20 minutes. So that's what you will follow. So you can do a cardio of your choice. You can do a bike, you can do a treadmill, you can do rowing. So that's entirely your call. I'm not saying dedicatedly आप यही करो, but these are the things that you need to do for the bigger back, for a V-taper. Also very important, which I have not included in the video, that you have to stretch your back. So you grab onto a pole, take your other foot out and you give it a stretch on one of the lats, and you return back to the normal position, hold the bar or some say a bench on the other side, take the other foot out and then you stretch again, come back. So you'll feel stretch, because जब आप exercise करेंगे तो आपका muscle contract होता है. So this contraction you have to actually release, so आपका muscle grow करे. So I really hope all these things will help. If you like the video and if you have actually, thankfully enough, if you have seen it till the end, please like it. I hope you'll leave a nice comment in case you feel कि कुछ अच्छी tips आपको मिली हैं. In case you feel there's any improvement needs to be done, feel free to leave us a comment. So thank you very much. Thank you for all the love. Keep watching and keep supporting. Thank you.